How to use eBay's authentication service. In order to use eBay's authentication guarantee, you simply need to purchase an eligible item indicated or indicating by a checkmark badge. So what you need is look for an authentic guarantee checkmark badge on a listing. These are automatically enrolled in the program at no extra cost to you. After which, or after the buying, the seller will ship it to an authentic facility instead of your address. The authenticator inspects the item against the listing detail and performs a physical inspection. After which, you have to review your items. So once the items is packed with its authentication card or tag and shipped to your Y tracked delivery or express delivery as well. Now what you need is here you want to create an eligible listing. Now listing an eligible item in the correct category, making sure to be accurate in your descriptions and photo as well. Now what you need is after a buyer purchase your items, you will receive a shipping label to send it to an authentic facilities. Now you have to go and wait for it to be authenticate. The expert will verify its authentication if it's doomed or deemed not consistent with your listing. An item is shipped to a buyer after which. So this way you'll be able to use eBay's authentic service. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.